Hello again, everybody. It's Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Family owned and operated since 1956. Today, we've got an exclusive new floor plan from ROCKWOOD. ROCKWOOD Signature 8264. You've got bunk beds in the hallway. You've got a large master bedroom. Kitchen up front. Great brand new floor plan. I'm excited to show it to you. Let's get started. Take a look. Hey guys, remember, watch all the way to the end of the video. I'll show you a clip with the slides in so you can see what you do and don't have access to. Check down in the description. I'll have all your specs, holding tank sizes, and measurements. Remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. Don't forget, give me a quick thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. There's a button there. The bell will give you a notification every time I put a new camper on, so be the first one to see new floor plans, options, decors. Make sure you hit that bell. All right, standing at the entry door looking in, you see the Newport Ash Cabinetry, chocolate decor. This is their lighter cabinetry, darker furniture. Kitchen up front. What's super unique about this floor plan, you're almost like a Class A right here. You got your bunks and then your bedroom in the back. And this is where we'll start. You've got a queen size bed on a slide out. Overhead lights and charging, glass textured front cabinet doors. Now these doors do open up and have shocks that hold them up. You've got roller shades and windows that open on either side. Receptacles for charging. Your heat duct is in the wall, not in the floor. You got drawers. Look at the reinforced frame on this bed. The shocks that hold it up. You got charging area down low, fire escape window, and that does open. Again, roller shades. We equipped this with a TV in the bedroom. It is on a swing arm so you can see it while laying in the bed. Also has a second AC that is ducted. You got tons of storage here. So you've got wardrobe, hanging space on both sides. This side you've got shelves, drawers down low. Nice light color linoleum floor. A solid door that closes off the bedroom. Now your bunk area, you got two bunks. This top bunk folds up and out of the way. Has a shock that holds it up. Each bunk has got its own light. You do have a charging area. Your ladder to get up into that top bed. And you got drawers down low. Curtains that close off for those. Solid door to close off the bathroom. Got plenty of room around that. Porcelain foot flush toilet. Nice spot for a trash can. In the box you've got your griddle. Got plenty of room. Shower's got the little stool. I'm 6'5". I'm not even in the skylight, so plenty of room in the shower. Maxxair fan with cover on the roof. Windows, medicine cabinet. You do have charging area, heat duct, AC duct in the ceiling. Your dual zone thermostat. And because you've got the bunks, you've got a curtain that will close off the bunk areas. So if they're sleeping and you're trying to make it to the bedroom or bathroom, and then you can also close off the door to close off the hallway altogether. Receptacles, your convenience area when you come in. You've got controls for your lights, your awning, your slides. Check your holding tanks. Your Go Power solar controller tells you the voltage for your battery. Down low is your fuse panel. You've got two bar stools, so a nice sitting area here. And then you've got your theater seat, which has the cup holders in the charging area. Lumbar support, and then you got the pull cord for the footrest. In the living area, you got fire escape and the windows open. And then here you've got your day, night, or your solar shades throughout. And they do a good job blocking out the sun or blacking it out altogether. Another Maxxair fan. Tons of countertop space with it being the front kitchen. You got a sound bar that's got HDMI, USB. Your TV again is on a swivel arm, and that gives you easy access to all the hookups. Flush slide, no carpet. You got a drawer down low. Your 12-volt refrigerator freezer, because you do have that solar panel. Nice pantry. Overhead storage throughout, again with that textured glass. You've got the solid, large stainless steel sink, and they do the dual cover so you can dry and wash on either side. Receptacles, that automotive windshield up front, and you've got the shades here for those. More charging areas. Flush mount cover on your range, which is a 3-burner range. It's got LED lights. They give you a little trash can with some goodies. Another receptacle. Microwave, exhaust from your range does exhaust outside. It's a nice brand new floor plan. You're looking something compact, but with, you know, still got space and sleeps a good amount of people. Your new 2023 Forest River ROCKWOOD Signature 8264 BHS. We'll work our way outside and take a look out there. All right, moving to the outside, you see the automotive windshield, ROCKWOOD logo, power tongue jack. You got your chain and 7-pin holder here built in. 2 30-pound LP bottles under cover. Spot for 2 batteries. It will come with 1. You got your rock guard, outside shower, spray port. Your convenience area's got your black tank flush, winterization, cable and satellite, your water hookup. The ROCKWOOD's got a dry weight of 8,137 pounds. See, we equipped this with slide toppers over your slide outs. Nice storage area here, thick slam latch compartment doors with the magnets, your frameless windows. Another storage area here. Your sewer connection. Moving down to the back side. You got a bumper. Below that, you've got a receiver to the frame. It's got a 300-pound hitch rating on it. Nice for a bike rack or storage bin. We are looking at a 50-amp service. Factory installed ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. Right up on the roof, you got 2 air conditioners, your skylight, your Maxxair fan covers, TV antenna. Got your solar panel. Top of your slide outs with your slide covers there. Nice clean roof. You are prepped for a backup camera. Moving around to the campsite, you've got awning with a shielded cover. Nice storage area here underneath the bed. Give you a nice bag for your power cord. Because of the length, they give you the little support arm in the middle. Keep that tube from sagging. Just prolongs the life of it. You got a hookup outside for a TV, so you can bring the inside TV out, and that'll hook right to your cable and power. You've got a track here for a prep table and a outside griddle, which is included. You've got low point drains, your fresh water fill, backside of your hot water heater. Again, we just got this in, so this bad boy hasn't even been cleaned yet. So you're looking at 15-inch Goodyear Endurance tires. Step above entry steps fold right up into the camper with adjustable legs, nice and clean. Large assist handle, your outside speakers, The entry door has got the screenshot, which closes your screen door for you. It's got a friction hinge on the door, so the door stays wherever you leave it. Inside your front storage, you've got your auto leveling controls, because they're not just stabilizer jacks, they are auto leveling. Got a little trash can, good storage there. Your docking lights, which are the LED lights here, are controlled. And you've got portable solar panel prep from Go Power that you can add if you want to trickle charge those batteries. Also, when you've got these steps folded up and in, like so, they got the shock assist, so that's pretty easy to lift, but you've got access to your spare tire right there. So very convenient. Your brand new 2023 brand new floor plan from ROCKWOOD, 8264BHS. Remember, if you're heading out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. Thanks again for watching. All right, slides in. As you can see, you've got access to the refrigerator, but not to the bathroom. So you're gonna need to put the slide out to get anywhere further than the living area.